How to upload high quality video on Facebook. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, when it comes to uploading high quality videos to Facebook, there's no option to do that in the Facebook app. If you looked for it, you will not find any feature that allows you to change the quality of in which your video will be uploaded. However, you should know that if you are using Wi-Fi, then your videos will be uploaded using the maximum quality possible. However, if you are using cellular data to upload your videos, then there's an option that we can use which will allow us to get the maximum quality when uploading the videos. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up your settings, then click on connection and navigate to the data usage section. Once you are here, you will find an option that says data saver, so just click on it and you need to turn off this option, and by doing that you will be allowing Facebook to use um, any amount of data that it needs to upload your videos using the maximum quality. So there you have it. If you are using Wi-Fi, it will be automatically uploaded with the highest quality, and if you are using your mobile data, then you need to turn off the data saver to allow it to use whatever amount of data it needed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload videos to Facebook using the maximum quality possible. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.